Good morning. In this video, we are going to talk about the topic Introduction to Network Virtualization in Software Defined Network for BTech 6th Sem students of Government Engineering College Ajmer, CSE branch. And this is by Megha Garg. So let us begin with what is network virtualization. In SDN network virtualization, that is NVF, in computing network virtualization is the process of combining hardware and software network resources and network functionality into a single software-based administrative entity that is a virtual network. Network virtualization involves platform virtualization, which is often combined with resource virtualization. Network virtualization is categorized as either external virtualization combining many networks or parts of networks into a virtual unit, or internal virtualization providing network-like functionality to software containers on a single network server. Next, we come up with what are the applications of network virtualization. In software testing, software developers use network virtualization to test software which are under development in a simulation of the network environments in which the software is intended to operate. So we test the software under the environment where it is going to operate, whether it is working correctly or not, whether all the functionalities are met or not, and the required reliability is achieved. As a component of application performance engineering, network virtualization enables developers to emulate connections between applications. So there are different applications in which in between them the connections are emulated, the services, the dependencies are portrayed and end users in a test environment without having to physically test the software on all possible hardware or system software. The validity of the test depends on the accuracy of the network virtualization in emulating real hardware and operating system. The next application is wireless network virtualization. In wireless network virtualization, we can have a very broad scope ranging from spectrum sharing, infrastructure virtualization to air interface virtualization, similar to wired network virtualization in which physical infrastructure owned by one or more providers can be shared among multiple service providers. Wireless network virtualization needs the physical wireless infrastructure and radio resources to be abstracted and isolated to a number of virtual resources, which then can be offered to different service providers. The third application is to reduce the number of physical devices needed. The fourth application is to easily segment the networks. The fifth application comes with permanent rapid change or scalability and agile development, that is quick development and scalability. That means the software can grow, the hardware can grow, the network can grow. Still, the request can be encompassed by the given infrastructure. The sixth is security from destruction of physical devices. Seventh is the failover mode. Defective disk simply switches to a backup on the fly and the failed component can be repaired while the system continues to run. So in the next lecture, we'll see something more. Thank you.